Hello students. So now we will first see the standard identities. So first you should remember these identities. Okay, these are very important identities. The first identity is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So next one a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So next one is x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, first you should remember these identities. Okay, because these identities are used in exercise 6.6. Okay, without these formulas we cannot solve the exercise 6.5 problem. So we should first remember these two formulas. So the exercise 6.5, the first formula is, the first problem is use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. So see this one, this is the given two binomials x plus 3 and x plus 3. So both are same. That means bases are same. We can add the powers. Okay, so we get x plus 3 1 plus 1, that is x plus 3 whole square, because here x plus 3 is same, here x plus 3 is, both are same, so we can consider as a base. So bases are same, so in that case we can add the powers. So this is power of x plus 3 is 1, power of x plus 3 is 1, so 1 plus 1 we get 2. So now see this one, so this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, this is the, now compare this one with identity a plus b whole square. So this identity will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is x and b is 3. Okay, just substitute the values. That is x plus 3 whole square is equal to, so a square means x square. Okay, plus 2 into, in the place of a put x. Okay, b in the place of b put 3 plus b square is 3 whole square. Okay, so x square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square is 9. Okay, this is the answer. Next one is 2y plus 5 and 2y plus 5. So see here also bases are same, we can add the powers, that is 2y plus 5 whole square. Now compare this one with a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is 2y, b is 5. Okay, just put to the values, that is 2y plus 5 whole square is equal to, in the place of a put 2y whole square plus 2 into, in the place of a put 2y, in the place of b put 5, in the place of b put 5 whole square. See 2y whole square, see here 2y into 2y, 2 to the 4, y into y is y square. So 4y square plus 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20y plus 5 square is 25. Next, second one is, if the identity x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So by using these identity we can find out the product of these two binomials. So see here x is x. Okay, and a is 3 and b is 7. Just compare. Okay, so here x is x, a is 3, b is 7. So we know the identity is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Just put to the values of x. Okay, in the place of x, x square plus a is 3 plus b is 7 into x plus a is 3 into 7. So see here x square plus 7 plus 3 is 10x, 7 3 is 21. So this is the answer. So second one is 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 5, 1. Okay. So here x is 4x. See, in the place of x, 4x is there. Okay. So in the place of A, so 5. In the place of B, 1. Okay. See the for identity in the place of x square. So put x 4x whole square plus A is 5, B is 1 plus A is 5 into 1. So 4x whole square means here 4x into 4x, 4 4s are 16, x into x, x square. So this is 16x square. 5 plus 1 is 6x, 5 into 1 is 5. So this is the answer. So next one is find the following squares by using identities. Here b minus 7 whole square. Compare this one with the identity is a minus b whole square. Okay. The a minus b whole square identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Here a is there. Here b is 7. Okay. The b minus 7 whole square is equal to, in the place of a, put b. Okay, b square minus 2 into, in the place of a, so put b, in the place of b, 7 plus b is 7 whole square. Okay, here see that here a is b, b is 7. Don't confuse it. Okay, don't get confusing here. So here a is b, b is 7. So see here b square minus 7 2s are 14b plus 7 7s are 49. Next one is simplify a square minus b square whole square. Just compare this one with a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So here a is a square, b is b square. Compare here a, this one is b. Okay. So we know the a square minus b square whole square is equal to, put in the place of a is a square. So whole square minus 2 into a is a square, b is b square plus b square whole square. Okay. So now, so a power 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 into a square into b square plus b 2 into 2 4. So this is the answer. Second one is 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So see here, the first one is in the form of a plus b whole square. Second one is a minus b whole square. Okay, here a is 2x, b is 5. Here a is 2x, b is minus 5. Okay, we know the identity of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Just substitute the value of a, b and here ab. So here a is 2x, that is 2x whole square plus 2 into a is 2x, b is 5 plus b square is 5 whole square. Okay, here minus is there, put minus. Okay, and 2x minus 5 whole square, here a is 2x, then 2x whole square minus 2 into a is 2x, b is 5 plus 5 whole square. Okay, the 2x whole square means 4x square plus 2 into 2 is 4x. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 is 20x plus 5x square is 25. So next one is, this is 2x whole square is 4x square. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20x. 5 square is 25. Now multiply minus with these terms. Okay. So this is 4x square plus 20x plus 25. Minus into plus minus 4x square. Minus into minus plus. So 20x minus into plus minus 25. See here, this is plus 4x square minus 4x square cancelled out, and plus 25 minus 25 is cancelled out, plus 20x we get 40x. So this is the answer. Likewise you can do all the problems. It's a very easy problems. Okay, so all the problems are very easy, so just solve all the problems.